see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies so blue and clouds so white, the brightness of day and sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, and also in the faces of people going by.
I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're saying I love you. I hear babies crying, I watch them grow. They learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. I hear babies crying, myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Thank you, Tony, for breaking the ice and for calling me here. Next volunteer is none other than myself.
Bago tayo magpatuloy ng pagkada, may naalala ako kasi I was so impressed, no? I usually go to the internet, and about a few days ago, I was going through the internet about the Philippine Navy. Lumabas sa, di ba alam niyo, lumabas sa Wikipedia. You know, you're familiar with Wikipedia, no? Nakalagay doon ng Philippine Navy, yung history ng Philippine Navy, the organization of the Philippine Navy. And I was so impressed. Lumabas siyempre yung pangalan ng Flag Officer in Command. Nakalagay doon, Vice Admiral Ferdinand Goles. Wow, it was very impressive. But then reading through, nakalagay doon, Vice Admiral Ferdinand Goles, Wikipedia ito, international, brother of Congressman Roy Goles.
Hindi ko na titingnan yun. Anyway, talagang ganyan ang buhay. Talagang ganyan ang buhay. Sabi nga nila, life is like a box of chocolates. Anyway, so next volunteer is myself. I'd like to sing a Tagalog love song. This should be a song to be sung by my brother to Atinati. And I encourage all gentlemen around here to study this song. And you really like this song? And I hope you like this, because this will be the first time that I'll be singing this song in public. And I hope you like it. In a way, this will be my launching song for tonight. And yes, I hope you like this. Para sa inyo lahat. All gentlemen. By the way, ako ang nagdala ng van, kaya ganyan kami. Ilang huli mo nang tinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal, hanggang may hiling pa akong naririnig dito sa aking daigdig, hanggang may isa akong